Did you know that the rice you eat every day could be quietly harming your health and may even increase your cancer risk? Most people have this in their kitchen right now without realizing the danger. Rice is a staple in millions of homes, but not all rice is equally safe. Doctors warn that certain types of rice, if consumed improperly or without care, can contain harmful substances linked to cancer. In this video, we'll cover the 3 types of risky rice, explain why they're dangerous, and show you exactly how to protect yourself and your family. 1. Avoid using unfresh or improperly stored rice. Rice stored too long, especially in warm or humid conditions, can grow mold or fungi, which produce aflatoxins. These toxins are linked to liver damage and certain cancers. Brown rice spoils faster than white rice because of its natural oils. Prevention. Check freshness. Throw away rice that smells musty, has tiny bugs, or looks discolored. Store rice properly, airtight containers in a cool, dry place. Buy smaller quantities if you can't finish quickly, especially for brown rice. 2. Avoid brown rice with high arsenic levels, parboil method. Brown rice is nutritious, but absorbs more arsenic from soil and water than white rice. Long-term arsenic exposure is linked to bladder, lung, and skin cancer. Prevention. Parboil method. Rinse thoroughly under running water. Use parboil method to cook rice. Boil 6 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice, cook 5-7 minutes, then drain the excess water. This removes up to 50% of arsenic. Continue cooking until rice is fully cooked. Rotate grains. Mix brown rice with quinoa, barley, or millet to reduce long-term arsenic exposure. 3. Try to choose rice from low arsenic regions. Rice grown in areas with contaminated soil or water can accumulate more arsenic, increasing long-term health risks. Prevention. Check rice origin. Choose rice from regions known for lower arsenic levels. For lower arsenic rice, choose basmati from India, Pakistan, jasmine from Thailand, or Calrose sushi rice from California, as these regions naturally have less arsenic in soil water. But remember, variety is key, and cooking methods also matter. Mix grains. Rotating rice with other grains reduces exposure from a single source. Cook with extra water. Parboil or rinse rice thoroughly and drain to remove arsenic. Moderation. Avoid consuming large amounts of the same rice every day. Rice is a daily staple, but small habits like checking freshness, proper storage, and safe cooking methods like parboiling can significantly reduce health risks. By following these steps, you can protect your liver and reduce cancer risk over time. Remember, no rice is completely risk-free, but choosing rice wisely, checking the origin, and rotating grains helps reduce long-term exposure to harmful substances. Don't ignore what's in your pantry. It could be quietly affecting your health. Subscribe for more practical health tips and share this video to protect your family.